President Uhuru Kenyatta akurokete kunyitanira na atongoria a thirikari-ini igongona-ini ria kuhingura nyumba iria yakitwo ni sako ya borithi mwena wa Ngara guku Nairobi. Sako ino yandikithirio makiria ma miaka 40 mihituku no ihinda-ini ria miaka 10 mithiru ni onanitie gukura na njira nene.
We have formed the Kenya Police Investment Cooperative as an avenue for investing in such areas as land and housing where the mother sacco was limited.
Hata nyinyi polisi sio kukubali ya kwamba mkiambiwa mtu akijenga nyumba amefanya corruption. Kavurudi. Watu wanakopa pesa. Wanakopa pesa kutoka sako yao.
Akihuthira sako ino ta muhano mwega, President Uhuru ni oreti sako iria ingi cithundure njira cia kuguna amemba ao.
Indeed, it is amazing to note that SACCOs are today giving more loans to first-time house owners than indeed some of the big mortgage companies.
Athiete na mbere kuga ati thirikari iri na riciria ya kwehereria sako magoti niguo Akenya makiria magunike kumana nacio.
Interest relief that we give to mortgage companies for those who take mortgages. I intend that by the next budget, that same tax relief will be given to those who buy houses through their SACCOs.
Oho ni agathiririe itemi ria thothaiti hari gukura kwa utonga wa bururi akiuga makiria ma Kenya milioni 14 ni amemba a SACCO. Hado-ini hake Minister wa Iganda Eden Mohamed ni agathiririe muramatire mwega wa SACCO ino na akoria SACCO iria ingi cierute nayo.
The vibrant and a very productive cooperative movement in this country, Your Excellency, will continue to improve the lives of many of our Kenyans, and this has been made possible to a large extent by the conducive environment that your government continues to provide for this movement to thrive.
Ohidio ino President ni aruguririe mubango wa iCash uri hotithagia amemba SACCO ino kwamukira motungata na njira ya thimu. Hado-ini ha Inooro TV retwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.